Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide taskbar on Windows 11. Whether you want to maximize your screen real estate or simply prefer a cleaner look, hiding the taskbar can be a great option. So let's start the video. To hide taskbar in Windows 11, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and click on Personalize. Now scroll down and click on Taskbar. In Taskbar settings, scroll down and look for Taskbar Behavior section. So this is the Taskbar Behavior section. Click on it. Look for the option Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Check this option by clicking on it. The Windows 11 taskbar is now hidden. To check if it's working or not, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and the taskbar should pop up. Move your cursor away and the taskbar should hide again. So that's how to hide taskbar on Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Windows 11 guides.